I'm so sorry to say this, but this is Gaston Network. But we accepted some technical difficulties here for this apparent reason. Because of this, there was an error on the screen bug on the top left. Because this must be the 2002 CBBC screen bug, which used until 2005. Well, the screen bug was no longer existed thanks to Red Bee Media. The company had to change the screen bug and logo to a new one of those, but then later changed again in 2007. That's nothing but a situation for this compatible time. But I am so sorry for this cooperation due to these miserable times. But we must all we must all stay calm immediately. No more prevention now resume. We now return to your regularly scheduled program.